Come on, Maya. We shouldn't wake her up. She's sleeping right now.
What do you want now? Get out of here!
But we brought a remedy to cure you.
And since when do bees help spiders? Just admit it. You came to poison me.
Not at all.
Right. Now go away before I get angry.
But it's just honey, isn't it, Willy? But if you don't want it, it doesn't matter.
Go away. That's it. Go! Go away! Go!
It's no use, Maya. She doesn't want our proposition. Oh, it's because she's too suspicious. We've got to find a way to make her swallow the remedy without her knowing it. That's it! I know! Judging by her position, it's not gonna be easy. We'll have to pour the honey directly into her mouth. And what if honey doesn't work on spiders? Shh! Stop talking nonsense, Willy. It's propolis! Willy! Well, in fact, oh no! Do you think she's a goner? Oh, Maya, don't! Oh, she's really finished. Be careful. Oh, no. It's all my fault. Ah!